Okay, so if you want to figure out how to create a GIF that you can set as your profile picture, as you can see here, I'm going to show you how. So first, set up a blank set of slides. And so I have added an image to each of these slides and use my Bitmoji. And then you want to publish. And then I changed it here to every second. So it advanced, start the slideshow, restart. So it just creates a loop of the slideshow. And then take this publish link. And once you've clicked, I've already published this. So you would click the publish button, but I've already published it. So there you go. And I'm going to take that link and paste it here. And here it is. Okay, there's my loop of my slideshow. Now you are going to do a screencast. So you're going to create a video of your slides playing. That's just this loop. And I use Screencastify. So if I am going to go over here to Screencastify, so this here's another example of a screencast that I've created. And so I'm going to go down here to export video and export as a GIF. So export here as a GIF and click export, and it will create a GIF, the GIF file for you. Then you're going to go to your Google account. So when you are, if I can show you here, when you're in your account, you can just click on your profile at the corner and click Manage Google Account. And then here you click on the profile and here profile picture. And since I've already set it, I can say change. And then it allows you to select that. You can move around. I can show you here. You can choose to upload a photo, however you want to do that. And that is how you add your amazing GIF to your profile.